Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to tell you about some interesting audio visuals. That means some important and very useful informative web series that you can watch online and improve your language skills. Does not matter what is your language, NIFO or your learning level A1, A2 or B2, you can watch these web series, these short videos. These are very helpful. Believe me, I personally watch these videos whenever I get time, because these are not very long videos, very short duration, having say 8 minutes to 10 minutes. So you can take out these 10 minutes time whenever you feel so, and in a day watch 1 or 2 web series if you want to improve your language very quickly. The important thing is that these videos are also with subtitles in German. Means if you are not able to understand something, if you cannot hear properly, you can read the subtitles. So that will again a benefit for you, and that will give you a lot of interest and plus informations. There are so many words that you cannot hear properly initially because these are spoken by the natives. So when you read them as a subtitle, you will definitely make notes of difficult words, and you can note down and use them in your daily communication. Whenever you get time, whenever you get an opportunity, use these words while speaking or writing. So this is the main idea behind watching these web series or videos. Although there are some other web series available on the Netflix, but these are available on YouTube. Everyone can access these web series, short films like Nico's Weg is very famous and popular series known to everyone. I hope every German learner is aware about that. If you are not, so please click the link below in the description. I will give the link of all these 3 web series which I have mentioned here, so you can watch them, and I hope you will find it informative and useful. So please give me your feedback in the comment. How do you find that, so that I can find out some more web series audio visuals for you, so that you can learn faster and find German learning very interesting, and you do not lose your interest. These things are very essential, so that one does not lose interest and one can go with the flow. So I personally feel that audio visuals are equally important as our textbooks. We are learning from the textbooks, we know that we have so many assignments or worksheets with us, but these web series, videos, audios are very important for any language learner. I'm not talking about German especially. If you are learning any language, you must be aware about the audio visuals in that target language. You must have interest. If you don't have, even when you watch, you will increase your interest and you can improve your motivation level by watching these audio visuals. So please have a look in these web series, and the link is below in the description, and I hope you will find it very informative and interesting. So please do share with me your feedback, your comments. How do you find that? And I'm really looking forward to that. And see you next time with some more information and some more valuable things about the German language. And keep watching German class, keep supporting me, like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Till then, bye bye, auf Wiedersehen.